Okay, guys, now we're going to use a Google Sheet to calculate standard error. So I've just made up this random data. I have a column with girls, some values under there, and boys. The first thing we need to do is calculate the mean, which is same as average. So what I'm going to do is right under these values, I'm going to go there and put an equal to sign, and then I get some options. I get sum and average, and I'm going to choose average. And when you choose this, just be careful to use the same number. So it goes from C4 to C10. That's what we need. So I will use that and then enter. So now it has given me the mean. The same thing I'm going to do over here, equal to, and choose average. Again, it is from E4 to E10. Those are my values, and I'm going to enter that. The next thing I'm going to do is calculate. Well, I just need to compute the standard deviation. Standard deviation. For that, I just go here and put an equal to sign, and I get standard deviation over here. If you don't get see standard deviation as an option, what you can do over here is put standard ST. Yeah, when you just put ST, the first option that comes, standard deviation. And now it's giving me the option standard deviation from C4 to C8, C10, sorry, that is my range. So I'm going to say enter, and I got my standard deviation value over there. I do the same thing over here, equal to sign, and since it did not give me an option over here, I'm going here to do standard deviation, and here I am dragging all the way. I chose what my data set is, and I click enter. So I got those two values now. And what I'm going to do next is on this side, I just created another table. So girls and boys, I'm going to just copy the mean, my mean from here, just copy paste. Oh goodness, it did not work. So I should have paste special values only, or just type in the value. It might just be easier. So the means for boys is 72, and standard deviation, I'm just going to write over here 19.38 and 20.19. That's my data. And now I'm going to make a table, a chart. So I select only the top part. Do not select standard deviation. Even if you did not write standard deviation over here, it's okay. I'm going to just delete the standard deviation. So we're just going to use this and go to where it says insert chart. And it directly went to column chart. Okay, if it goes to any other kind of chart, just make sure that it is going into column chart. So if it goes into column chart, this is what it would look like. Okay, this is good for me so far. And what I'm going to do is just move a little to the side here so I can see the standard deviation. So standard deviation I need for girls is 19.38, boys is 20.19. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on the bar for girls, double click it, and I don't know why to double click it. And if you go down here in customize, you see error bars. I'm going to click on error bars, and where it says percent, use the drop down menu, choose constant, and put the value in here. It's 19.38 and enter. So that error bar has come on the girls histogram, and now I'm going to do boys. So again, or a single click would have done. Back to customize, I am doing error bars, and for boys I think it is about 20, and enter. Why did I not get it? Oh goodness, I did something wrong. And I just go back and back. I'm going for, so now I'm only choosing boys. So in boys I'm going for error bar, and I don't want percent, I want constant, and my error bar is for boys is 20.